Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back with a new release, and I am here for Pixie Dust Designs. We are in launch day, and it's October 14th if you're watching this. And these new items will just have loaded onto the website, and I'm super excited to be a part of this release. So let's get started on the dies, and I'm so happy to show you pieces. Okay, so I'm just gonna move these. This is the tea box set. Here's the tea box. Here's what it looks like. And here is the die. Super easy to use. Sorry for the glare. And versatile. Okay. I had so much fun creating with this set, and I'll show you the projects I created in a little bit. We also have this set here, and this is the tag A, and basically it's a shaker tag, you guys. So it comes with the layering pieces, a little, layer. This is the shaker part. This is the back tag. Look at all the stitch details. Sandra does a wonderful job with her dies, and I just love that they're purple. This is this is called tag accessories. So these tag accessories will be interchangeable. She's going to be releasing future tags as well, and they all match together. So again, you can create this fun box with this set. There's a bow. There's a bow in here. There's sentiments. There's 4 different sentiments: love, hello, for you, thanks, and then there's the to and from, and then you have a pocket, a layering pocket here, which is so cute. I have not yet played with that, but I want to show you what I put together. So let's show the shaker tags, you guys. I had so much fun with these tags. They're so darling, and again, who doesn't love a shaker? And again, with there's stitch details, you can see that around, but I did a little stitching, and of course I had to do it in Frank's new Candy Cane Lane collection because I'm obsessed. And this is the bow from the tag accessories. I had to create it. I used a little felt, and then I used a little paper. This one, again, another little shabby chic number. This is a poinsettia that I created, and I just layered it on top of a felt bow, and that is that bow. This bow cuts like butter, you guys. Cuts like butter. So you have no problem cutting these premium felties from Hobby Lobby. These are the sentiments from that tag accessory set. It says hello and love. I just layered on the bottom. This one I did use that layer part. So I used like a regular pink cardstock. Well, it's not regular, it's beautiful pink basil cardstock. And then I just kind of did the layering on top. You can kind of see that here on the bottom. And then I figure you couldn't see there's a Santa inside because I covered him up with the bow. So I was like, let me just do the layer on top. Again, you can see that little layering piece for where the hole is. I love this tag set. So darling. And then what I did with the tag A, I took this and I made a little box, and I used the tag accessories, basically this part here, to create this little box. And look how perfectly it fits. And again, she will be releasing future tags that kind of interchangeable with all of the parts, so it kind of makes this super easy. And look how darling this little box is. Super fun. Again, I used that little bow. I'm obsessed with the little bow in that tag accessories. And then I just made like a little hanging thing. So I put 2 chocolates in here. A little treat for your pal. That this was a little fun way to send some yummies. So that is all the little projects I did with my tags. And then I saw what was it? I saw someone on Instagram post this little bag topper kind of like box, and I used the tag accessories, this piece here, to create like this little handbag with a bag topper. I thought it was super genius. And again, I just took the bag topper and I just cut it out 2 times, but I just took off the remaining back piece because I wanted the same front handle. And next time if I do, I'll find a bag topper that doesn't have these little darling scallops, but I kind of like it because I can't put it down. Like if you put it down, the scallops get all ruined and, you know, kind of defeats the purpose. But I thought this was so unique. So basically what I did was cut 2 pieces and I just cut one of the little folds. I'm going to show you right now. So it comes like this. There's 3 folds, right? So on this tag box, this bottom piece would be this piece. So what I did was I just cut off one of the legs and I just kept 1 piece. And then I cut this again, cut off one of the legs, and then just basically overlap them in the middle. So you can kind of see that right there. And yeah, this is how I created a little box to make it a little bit longer. And then I just cut this part on the side to fit the length of my little bag topper. I thought this was a little fun little, kind of reminds me of a little handbag. And I have a little rosette. I fussy cut the Santa from one of the paper collection. I have a little cheesecloth. I have a little pom-pom trim in the back. And then I added this little bow. I thought that was absolutely darling. And then last but not least, this tea box is probably one of my favorites in the release. And you may have already seen on my Instagram, but I posted these absolutely sweet little tea boxes. Now, I put in here, now there's a little flap here. So that little flap, which is so genius, is this little piece here. You just fold it, add it, glue it. And this box is super sturdy. I cut it out with 110 and it fits in these little sequins. Just wanted to see what else could fit in here. There's also all the little pieces. You get a little oval, star, a heart to give you the option for windows. She gives all of the layering pieces, the sides, you know, the front little scallop edge. So you have an option to just change this up. I like the 2-tone, the red. I use the red and then I use the candy cane paper to finish it. I just thought it was cuter. And I used, again, the Prima Candy Cane Lane. Made a little ruffle trim in the front, and then I just used this little cute little Santa, Holly, Jolly, and Merry in the paper collection. I thought it was the perfect little addition, and I love the little heart. And then I had to make one again in Prima Luna because it's so cute. Again, I used the 2-tone paper. I thought it was just, I like the 2-tone. I just think it makes it a little more interesting. And I got a little flip up window, and this is the cat and the witch, which I thought was so cute. And here's the inside. So I did use like a mylar paper, and in here I fit a huge bag of sequins. And I thought this was the perfect little sequins mix box. You're always, when you're in those group swaps, you're always looking for ways to send sequins. I thought this was the perfect way. And again, I cut out another window, and then I just added a little ephemera. It says too cute to be spooky. Added this little best switches, and I used a star because there's stars in the paper. I thought the stars was just absolutely perfect. Thought this was so cute. And then using this little layering door piece, this is this piece here, right? This cuts out that door. I created a little earring holder. So I'm just gonna pull this out. So I have a little craft with me. I wouldn't call it a tutorial on how I made these. And basically what I did was I used all of the layering pieces, right? And then I glued just the sides, the outside sides. So there's a gap right here. And then I punched a hole, and then I slipped in these little earrings, and I thought this was the perfect little sturdy little earring holder. And I thought that was so cute. There's so many things you can do with this little piece. You can even use it like kind of like a matchbook cover and put a bag of sequins underneath here and just let the sequins dangle. There's so many like unique things to do with just this one little piece, but plus the box. Oh my god, you guys, so cute. And that is it for my Pixie Dust guest design project share. I am honestly super excited for this release, and I think you should be too, because these items are so fun, versatile. You can use these all year round, and it makes it so much fun to send goodies in these little all year round boxes. So that is it for my project share, you guys. I'll leave all of the product information down below, and stay tuned for some future projects. And that is it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.